Hey guys, how to fix Android Auto not working. So first of all, make sure to update your Android Auto to the latest version in order to get access to all the new features. Perhaps this was the reason why you cannot access your Android Auto, right? Another way of doing it, make sure to go back to your screen and then go ahead to the settings and try to pin down connected devices, right? You can just look it up and make sure that Android Auto is connected, right? Next, what you're gonna do, go ahead to the general, or in your case, try to pin down apps, and in the apps, you're gonna just try to find Android Auto, in my case, in iPhone storage, right? Because it's inclusive to all apps. Then go ahead and treat it like any other app. You're gonna upload the app or force stop and also clear permissions and re-download or re-pause it again. Okay, and then you're gonna be able to use it more freely, right? So sometimes sometimes apps can stop working or can basically have this function, right? So doing these steps doing the steps that I just mentioned could help you restore your Android Auto and get back on your feet. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you.